In 2002,
I've committed this year to new disasters.
Dear God, no.
Ali's magic is stronger than ever.
Are you married?
What? The brand new season is coming soon.
Along to Wednesday Tats Lotto tonight. It's draw number 102. I'm Troy Ellis. Well, we had no Division 1 winning entries in last week's draw, so Wednesday Tats Lotto tonight is jackpotted. We'll have that figure for you in just a sec. First, though, the balls are underway. There's our first number out tonight. It's number 14. Tonight's total prize pool, just over $797,000 cash. There's number 20 for you, and we have a Division 1 prize pool, if won, of over $454,000. Is our third number out. It's number 31 for you there. Tonight's draw, of course, supervised by our draw officials and government supervisor. Good to have them along. And number 2, last week we had 2 Division 2 winners that each collected around about $16,800 cash. And there's number 18, and we also had 63 Division 3 winners, each collecting $960 each. And number 32 completes the 6 as we move on to these, our all-important supplementary numbers for our draw tonight. Number 102, there's the first one. Number 30, so just recapping the numbers, 14, 20, 31, number 2, 18, 32, the first supplementary there it is, number 30, and the last one is number 30, 23. That'll be 23. Best of luck with those numbers. Don't forget to get your ticket in next week's draw. Good night.
Hello again, everyone. Tonight on the news, as another load of travellers boarded the Devil Cat this afternoon, the Southern Cross Nightly News special poll came out, showing a divided community. 49.7% of callers told us they think the government should keep the service operating, with 50.3% saying no. It sends a warning to the government over a divided community. And glorious weather for the running of the Devonport Cup today, and the winner was Shardia from St Andrews and Fanta's Revenge. And that's all for this hour. I'll have more later.
In your Examiner tomorrow, former Mayor John Lee's parents talk about the sale of the family orchard. Over 250 homes for sale in this week's 20-page property guide. Part 2 of Rachel Millwood's youth survey. What do our teenagers think of education in Tasmania?
We'll be back in just a moment. That's great. Because you guys saw that.
Switching lives took courage.
We're just going to turn everything upside down.
It meant painful decisions.
I thought I might have a vasectomy.
What?
But just as he thought they were free...
Tell me that's a lip gloss applicator.
In 2002,
Are we sure we want another baby? We're not in our 20s anymore.
their final decision makes the new series one to watch.
A sensitive look at family relationships.
Always greener, sooner.
Harvey Norman's half-yearly clearance sale is on now. Hurry in for huge savings. Save 25% on the price of the entire Bonds bedding accessory range. Spend $500 or more and pay nothing for 13 months. Conditions apply. See store for details. Harvey Norman's half-yearly clearance sale. Don't miss it.
Who has the best-looking cars in the world? Hyundai. Who's got them? Motors. Motors Hyundai clearing their entire 2001 stock right now. Award-winning Hyundai Accents from $14,990 drive away. Hyundai Elantra sedans and hatches from $19,990 drive away. Current model Sonatas now $26,990 drive away. Tough Hyundai Santa Fe four-wheel drives from $29,990 drive away. Hyundai Grandeur GLS $39,990 drive away. Now's the time for the best deals on all Hyundais. Motors, your statewide Hyundai dealers.
Let's start the new year with a bang at Decorama. Thousands of metres of blockout fabrics, just $9.95 a metre. All wallpaper in stock, half price. And 15% off whole and vertical and Venetian blinds. It's a blast at Decorama.
Be a winner with C-Max Cinemas.
Do you believe in fate?
I never thought about it. Will you give me your phone number?
Don't think about it. Just say the first thing that pops into your head.
You have beautiful eyes. That was an accident.
There are no accidents.
This is wrong.
You could be in the audience at a sneak preview of the romantic comedy of the year, Serendipity, but only at CMAX Cinemas. Call 1900 937 130 for your chance to win a double pass to an advanced screening on January 17th. You could be a winner, but only at CMAX Cinemas.
Hello, Mr. Thirsty. Tired of kids' drinks? Want some punch? CRANTASTIC Cranberry Punch. A sweet, tart cranberry drink from Punch and Juicy. Big, generous 2-litre packs. Tell Mum it's brilliant value. Well, Mr. Thirsty?
CRANTASTIC!
Punch and Juicy. 3 CRANTASTIC flavours everyone can enjoy. Get the drop on Mr. Thirsty.
Harm is about to make the biggest mistake of his career.
I want to send Gunny to New Mexico to pick up my prisoner.
Fine by me. He's sending one of his own into a death trap.
This is a job, Gunny. Don't let it get personal.
Gunny! All new Jag, Thursday.
Your Subaru dealer will go to extraordinary lengths to demonstrate the benefits of Subaru all-wheel drive. Just arrived the new value-packed Forester Special Edition with alloy wheels, fog lights and color-coded protection panels. Take control at these Subaru dealers.
Tomorrow and Friday from 9 a.m. till 9 p.m, you can get 15% off the mark price of everything at Target, excluding gift vouchers. So, get your skates on and get into Target, because by Saturday, it'll all be off.
The hottest trotters under the sun will be at the Examiner $200,000 Carnival of Pacing throughout January. Be in Scottsdale January 12 for the Big Chops and Trots meeting, featuring the Tasfuel Northeastern Pacing Cup and the Bridport Hotel Northeastern Derby. Plus see Chopping's big names like Foster, Beams and Gurr. You could win hundreds of dollars of betting vouchers and merchandise from the Toad. So be in Scottsdale January 12 for the Chops and Trots, all part of the Examiner $200,000 Carnival of Pacing throughout January.
Domino's new menu has escaped. Be on the lookout for El Scocho, a spicy chili beef feast, and Mr. Wedge, the potato and bacon bandit. For information leading to the capture of Domino's new menu, call 131-888 now.
Domino's! The ring of power. It has been found.
Sauron needs only this ring to enslave the world. It must be destroyed in the fires of Mount Doom. Strangers from distant lands, you will unite or you will fall.
You have my sword.
And you have my bow. And my axe.
This task was appointed to you, and if you do not find a way, no one will.
The Lord of the Rings, directed by Peter Jackson.
Where are you going?
We'll be right back.
He's groveling.
I mean, that's what friends are for.
He's begging. It's not going to be easy. He'll do anything to get to this man.
This is nasty, mate.
Evan? He's a writer on a mission.
Just leave this here. We may have a problem.
On The Secret Life of Us, tonight. Get into monster madness at McDonald's. Try our Monster Burger with layers of tantalizing taste, sweet chili sauce, and a delicious slice of bacon. But hurry, it won't last long.
Look what you get for $2 at Chicken Feed. Colourful flour windmills, $2. Classic chocolate or iced coffee milk, $2. Carpet stain remover, $2. Tornado bathroom or multi-purpose cleaner, $2. Trigger pack glass cleaner, $2. Sorbeline vitamin E cream, $2. Fabric softener concentrate, 2 for $2. 9-litre plastic basins, $2. And 2002 calendars, only $2. But only at Chicken Feed.
Want to knock over a casino. 150 million without breaking a sweat. Scared? You suicidal?
You are up to something, Danny.
Exactly. Check the batteries?
Ocean's 11.
He ain't worried about tomorrow, because he just need every night. Life's too short for burning bread. I'll take it one day at a time.
Catch the Jimmy Barnes Raw Tour, January 30 at Country Club Casino. The place to be.
Hello, Mr. Thirsty. Tired of kids' drinks? Want some punch? CRANTASTIC Cranberry Punch. A sweet, tart cranberry drink from Punch and Juicy. Big, generous 2-litre packs. Tell Mum it's brilliant value. Well, Mr. Thirsty?
Crantastic!
Punch and Juicy. 3 CRANTASTIC flavours everyone can enjoy. Get the drop on, Mr. Thirsty.
A good alarm system will always be your best home security investment. But there are also other steps you can take towards safeguarding your property while you're on a holiday. Making your home look occupied can be a very effective deterrent. Cancel milk and paper deliveries. Have a friend or neighbour clear your letterbox and make changes like opening and closing curtains. Use a timer to automatically turn lights and radios on and off. And if you see anything suspicious when your neighbours are away, call Crime Stoppers and help prevent home burglaries.
Hello, handsome.
Perfect.
There you go. We'll be right back.
He's groveling.
I mean, that's what friends are for.
He's begging. It's not going to be easy. He'll do anything to get to this man.
That's nasty, mate.
Evan?
He's a writer on a mission.
Just leave this here. We may have a problem.
On The Secret Life of Us, tonight.
Whenever I want, whenever I will, whenever I like.
Tropical Splash, Wendy's new all-fruit smoothie that's 99% fat-free.
Office party, birthday party, or any time you just want to party, it's the Mallee Grill. Just phone today and book a table for 6 or more, and the Mallee will provide free champagne or a party cake and the party gear to help you celebrate. Party time is all the time at the Mallee Grill.
Nature's Works, the vitamin discount specialists. Compare our prices and save. New from Blackmore's, Polycosanol may help reduce cholesterol. 30 tablets, $43.95 or 2 for $84. Blackmore's pregnancy and breastfeeding formula contains folic acid. Taken 1 month prior to and during pregnancy may reduce the risk of having a child with spina bifida neural tube defects. 60 capsules, $17.50 or 2 for $33. Nature's Works, the vitamin specialist. Longzest and Burnie and Shop 3A Meadow Muse.
Where do you get Kellogg's Mini Wheats for only $2.99? At Chicken Feed. Mini Wheats, low in fat and a good source of vitamins for the crazy price of $2.99. Washable Pooh Bear mats with protective foam backing in a great range of designs, $10. Ladies straw wide brim hats, great for summer, $5. 7.5 metre soaker hoses and absolutely crazy $3.50. And don't forget those Kellogg's Apricot Mini Wheats for only $2.99. But only at Chicken Feed.
Right now, Victory are cutting the prices on their entire range of curtains and blinds by up to 50%.
Victory, victory, curtains and blinds. 131399.
There are rules which affect what you see on television. These rules cover program classifications, when you see certain programs, advertising, as well as the presentation of news and current affairs. They are part of the Code of Practice for commercial television. If you'd like to know more about the code, call 1300 134848. For a copy of the code, write to us, the Federation of Australian Commercial Television Stations.
We'll be right back.
World's most advanced military microprocessor has been created. They made it strong. They made it clever. They made it small. They made a mistake.
Commandos, attack! I'm talking about toys that are so smart, when kids play with them, they play back.
It's alive! It's alive!
You put munitions, chips, and toys?
Big action! Big trouble! Small Soldiers, the premiere!
All
aboard for Burnie Rail's Market Train this Sunday. Travel by train to the Penguin Old School Market, stopping all stations, Burnie, Penguin, Ulverston throughout the day. These rail cars have been carrying passengers in Tasmania for 62 years, but you should see them now. The first train departs the Burnie railway station 9 a.m. this Sunday. See you there.
Things change. It's a fact of life. They change for the better. Hearts Cola, made from cold-filtered Tasmanian mineral water. The natural evolution of cola. Hearts Cola, naturally better.
Get into Retravision for hot deals and loads of summer specials on all the big brands. Like $50 cash back on the Fisher & Paykel 249 litre fridge, only $677. And hot deals like the Sharp microwave down to $249, or the Volta 1400 watt vacuum with turbo head, just $195. And Sealy evaporative coolers start at just $179. For hot deals on cool products.
The only decision, Retravision. We've got it!
Jacksons have made a scoop purchase from the Kia factory. Jacksons now have Rio sedans and hatches with airbag, CD system, power steering, central locking, immobiliser and 3-year warranty for only $13,990. And for a limited time, you'll get $2,000 minimum trade-in and pay just $49 a week. Yes, $2,000 minimum trade and only $49 a week for a new Rio. Or you can take $1,000 cash back. It's just too good to miss out on. So, what are you waiting for? Jacksons, Launceston and Devonport.
Ballinger's Bargains, the best for you in 2002. Planters set at $3 for $9.95. Kids Puzzles $3. King size cherry ripe $1. Candy Lane 10's $1. Cream biscuits 8 for $2. Bunk beds $190. Looney Tune 10's $39.95. Ballinger's all stores.
Cheesecake munching on a cheesecake munching.
Make it a memorable birthday with a cake from the Cheesecake Shop. Our cakes are ready to party.
Cheesecake Shop. Hey, we all go crazy over cakes at the Cheesecake Shop. Yeah.
Do some time at the Jailhouse Grill.
Okay, so you've tried this, but if you prefer this, then try these. Pure, natural, Hearts Mineral Water, now in 5 new flavours.
Okay, questions for Tom.